What's going on, guys? I wanted to put out a video and show y'all how to use the smart templates that we have out. There's been a lot of confusion as to how these work, and hopefully this will put all that to rest. So basically, once you open up the template, this is what it'll look like. Now, this looks just like the stock iRacing template for the most part. It has our watermark in it. As you can see, the panels are broke up along the sides here. What our smart template does is it lines everything up so that when you paint, you can put a single graphic on the side and not have to cut it and splice it and move it around to make it all line up once it's rendered on the car. So to do that, on the right hand side here, you got double click to open smart object. Just double click that. It'll open up this window. Now I'm just going to draw a graphic on here. It's not going to be anything. Actually, I'm not going to do a graphic. I'm going to do a logo. Open that in grayscale. Alright, we've got a logo here. I'm just going to copy this and paste it. And again, this is just a simple representation of how these work. I'm just going to paste that there. And something like that. Just to kind of show you how it works. Alright, then once you get your graphic how you want it, you will turn off this red layer on the right hand side. File, save. And that will populate everything on the main template. Notice how this is cut and spliced apart. Everything doesn't seem to line up on the main template. Once you have it this far, you'll just toggle this red layer off on the main template. File, save as, go to your documents folder, iRacing folder, paint, find the car you're painting. In this case, it's the dirt midget. Save this, and it'll be car underscore your iRacing ID. Because I have the file there, I have to replace it. Switch over to iRacing. Control R will refresh the paint, and there you have it. Everything lines up. It looks good. It really saves a lot of time from having to manually splice all this together. Now, this is the same process that works with the dirt sprint car, the dirt UMP modified, obviously the dirt midget. We've got a Ferrari 488 template out there, a asphalt sprint car template out there. They all work the same way. This template, something that I didn't show you guys, actually has the hood and the tank in it. Now, if you go over here to the tank and you notice it's only one side. I'm just going to use the paintbrush here just for demonstration purposes. Let me do red. If you notice here, only one side's here. If you just paint that one side, something like that, save it. See how it's on both sides now? Now I did a Control S to save that instead of having to go up here to hit File and then Save. Control S will work, or you can do the manual file save. But anyways, that object here, it paints both sides. So basically it's just mirrored on the other side of the tank. That way it streamlines the process. Again, toggle your top layer off, File, Save As, go to your Documents folder, iRacing, Paint, Dirt Midget, change it to a target file, overwrite the existing file, press OK, and if we pan back here, you see you have the graphic on the tank. Really streamlines the process. Hopefully this video will help you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a PM. Thanks for watching.